Sorry about that. Anyway, we're back in build time. It's the middle of the night. It's raining. Let's go to sleep. And in the morning, I'll tell you what we're building. You know, when we're sleeping, I normally speed it up really, really fast. Every YouTuber likes to speed it up. Because it's hours to go. It takes the same amount of time to go to sleep as it does in the real world. Speed! Yep, speeded it up really fast. Anyway, we're back in the cruise ship, and you know, most cruise ships. Oh, I forgot to do the interior. Sorry. Let's just do it now. Da 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 da. Right, gonna move it. Cause why not? And there can be another one. Like can make like a really big vacuum. And over here can be. Let's just stop doing this now. And go on to our theatre. If you want me to build something, put in the comment section what you want me to build in this cruise ship. And it has to actually be on a cruise ship. Can't be like a money dispenser and you get free money. So that's not even a thing. I am going to do a swimming pool because every cruise had a swimming pool. But that's when we do the next floor. It'll be on that. We're working our way up. You know what? This is boring, covering the whole wall. Let's skip it. I'll come back to you when it's ready. So close to finishing. So close to finishing. This is taking ages. Let's drink some more swift. Let's go. Speed. Let's see if we can find another potion. Fun. Oh, 8 minutes. Ketchup! I love ketchup. the ketchup phone. Oh, we haven't fed the tea. Tea, can we have your ketchup phone, please?
Eat it already.
What? Have you got ketchup phone? Whatever. I dare you speak to me like that. Your punishment. I'll be back in a sec. When they used to know it's doing the UST and see. I'll be back in a sec when I find it. Okay, I'm just gonna get back. God. Is that it? I think I blowed everything up, even the cruise ship. Oh, dear, this is... Oh, everything's spawned back again. Bye! Oh, we've just about run out of time this episode. We'll finish off the Sinner tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Bye! Oh, got to say something.